just not recording. Just letting you know that how I said about selling grandparents' house and stuff, and the date, selling it by like the 25th. Today's the day. Apparently, there was a legal contract thing saying that if the buyer wasn't interested in the house, they can back out, and then of course you can't sell a house after that. But we found out from my dad and today was the day that the house was fully sold. We get the money, the house is sold, and then we can pay our bills and stuff. But we found out it was a scam. Yes, a scam. We didn't lose any money, but we definitely signed some contracts and stuff. Hopefully it doesn't come back on my grandmother or us or anyway. It seemed legit. They said that they were going to take care of the house. They said that the end date was the 20th. Actually, technically, they said that the end date was the 20th. And then they pushed it 5 days to say, oh no, well, it's not the 20th because the buyer is still not interested, or buyer's not, confirmed yet or something. But we had a set date in mind, and, the 20th was the set date. It was even written on the contract and everything regarding the house, selling the house and everything. And, well, apparently they pushed it saying, oh, it's going to be the 25th. Well, today's the it's pretty much the 25th. And, well, my dad just found out that it was a scam. And, yeah, so we got to get that house sold by the end of this month. Yeah, the house still needs to go, but it's just, we got all that date, rushing the date, because it was going to be, the 20th this month. And, they pushed it back 5 days. And then today, we just found out that it was a total scam. Hey guys, good morning. I just found out that after waiting for 8 long months, kid you not, grandparents' house has finally been sold. So this will probably be the last vlog regarding grandparents' house. So without further ado, I gotta grab a couple papers, and then we got a busy next couple days. So yeah, let's get to this. We need a couple more information regarding the house, and then later today we'll head down and start cleaning. Okay, well, this is gonna be fun. Thank you. You too. He's back here. Yeah, he's super friendly. Oh yeah, they are. Have a good day. Stay warm out there. Alright, you said metal box. This is the only one I could find out there. I couldn't find any other. We did put some metal boxes down in the basement of the house, though. Those are the wrong boxes. Ugh. Okay. Oh, which one is it? I honestly don't know where it would be, even if it would be under things, or my only guess might be piled on things, but we gotta move things in order to get to it. Alright, hold on.
Do you know the story?
Mommy told me that a bit. Somebody's interested in Nana's house?
Yes. But they just called back. They want the furnace working before they buy it. But it's like, no. Okay. I'm not doing that. So I don't know what's going to come of that. But I got to find the paperwork for it. And it's got to be in one of the boxes that we put downstairs. That's the only... So we're going to go get those boxes.
Okay.
And then... he wants to move in before closing, which I don't care. That's fine. We're finding a lawyer to do that. and stuff. If he still accepts it with me saying, no, I'm not getting the heat going. I'm not doing it. I
Don't know how.
Yeah, well, I don't know how to weld the pipes and stuff. And then if it does go through, we've got about 3 days to clean it out.
Which means
Basement.
three
Which means
busy days.
We got to get another dumpster
Yeah.
and haul that crap out from the basement.
Well, there shouldn't be too much down there.
It's not a whole lot.
But
The
it
thing
just
is we didn't have any more room in the dumpster.
yeah.
Oh, the river is like completely frozen over.
Yep.
Yeah.
Can I get up in the driveway?
You might.
That thing won't even fire.
Oh, was it sitting there though?
It was sitting up there, but it was together. It wasn't together.
It's not even functional. I mean, it's like it's more like a prop than anything. So yeah, I guess you're gonna have to saw that. The couch. The couch there, gonna have to saw that.
We're gonna have to cut that apart.
That's gonna be fun to watch. Yes. Yeah, no wonder why the painting was there. Well, just don't say anybody. Don't say anything to anybody. You won't know it until he moves the painting or gets a different picture. Thomas, go ahead. Put it in the back. So the boxes, yeah, we set them right there. And now it's okay. All I remember is them setting it down. So
In the back room.
yeah, one of 3 places. Downstairs in our basement, in the shed or back room, yeah. They're just very dim.
Okay.
Biggie bundle, $8 for 2 burgers. I can split with Thomas. I can do crispy for me, and then Thomas if he wants like a junior bacon or a double stack.
Okay.
And it's $8 for 2. No bun.
Okay.
And then Thomas, want double stack or junior bacon?
Double stack.
All right. So that's much cheaper because that came to $8. And then our side, dude, large fry. And then our drink. Yeah. Are they gonna fix the coolant thing?
That's the idea, yeah.
Okay.
But I gotta make sure I get all over.
Maybe grab a funnel. There's a funnel inside. How much? How many?
$20 a gallon.
And that's a gallon.
I've been having, yeah.
So now we got to head down to Maynard's. Dad's got to drop off his car, and I got to meet him. Then after Maynard's, we got to take the propane tanks, get them filled, and then home. So nothing too special with today. I think tomorrow is when we start to really start to clean the house. We got to get another dumpster, and yeah, I guess finish cleaning some of the rooms. I don't know if we're going to touch the basement or not. I think we might actually clean the basement of the house. But if anything, today was more of a get the paper situated and stuff, because the house has been sold. And I think the next 2 days are going to be hurry up and finish, because the guy wants to start moving things in very, very soon. So. Jeez. Hey, puppy dog! Hey! Hey, cutie! Oh, good luck with that bus. You better move. Hey, he's going up the road. Okay, guess he's a good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. He went back into the yard. He's right ahead of me. That's his car right there. That's funny. Anyways, I thought I got the head start, and he's right ahead of me. Let's see if I can turn around here. I'll just go park at Fast Track until you're done. I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm just parking. guys.